Hi, everybody. Good morning. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Tuesday morning. Here as we take a look at Futurecast. It is pretty quiet to start things off this morning. We have really not much to report snowfall-wise. There have been some returns on radar, but most of it has not been reaching the ground. Really, the biggest issue throughout the day, again, will be the blustery winds out of the north and northeast. Not quite as bad as yesterday, but still definitely noticeable. It's going to be a cold day. Now, we may see some breaks in the clouds to give us a few peaks of sun, but it's going to be a mainly cloudy day today. Your best bet for snow is going to be in southwest Nebraska, and even there, I'm not expecting too much, but the Tri-Cities area, not much. Now, there are some forecast models that do squeeze out some snowflakes in the Tri-Cities this evening. Now, I'll tell you right now, this particular forecast model here does not have much of anything here, but I would not rule out a little bit for southern Nebraska and northern Kansas. Otherwise, winds dying down tonight. That's good news. We can finally say goodbye to the wind. Tomorrow, some partial clearing. I think we start off with more clouds than sun in the morning and then get towards more sun than clouds in the afternoon. Temperatures just a few degrees warmer tomorrow, but any kind of snow is going to be long gone. Pretty quiet conditions for your day on Wednesday. First things first. Now, the Goodland National Weather Service still has a winter weather advisory out for our southwest Nebraska counties, Hitchcock, Red Willow, then over towards Dundee County until midnight tonight, 11 o'clock Mountain Time. At this point here, I don't know why they haven't canceled it, to be honest. They're saying up to 3 inches of snowfall there, the Goodland National Weather Service is. I see nothing in forecast models that say that. I think at most, and again, this is stressing, at most an inch or two there. Probably under an inch there. We should all see under an inch. I'm going to show you a forecast model here. This is the GFS forecast model's future snowfall product, how much snow we could potentially see. I'll tell you right now, this is on the highest end I can find here. So again, look at these numbers. We will likely see numbers lower than this today and tonight. Most of us will not even get a dusting of snow, or at most maybe a dusting of snow. Again, southwest Nebraska, maybe up to possibly over an inch, but probably up to an inch in some spots here. So I don't think we're going to see much out of what you're seeing right here for today and tonight. I think amounts are going to be very, very minimal. Well, on to the highs for today. Unfortunately, though, we do have to deal with the cold and some wind out there. Temperatures today only peaking in the mid to upper 20s to near 30 degrees. A little colder tonight than what we're seeing this morning, mid to upper teens to lower 20s for overnight lows. Some single digits in the panhandle of Nebraska. Highs tomorrow slightly warmer, a little more sunshine, less wind. Upper 20s, lower to mid 30s for high temperatures. And as we get towards tomorrow night, once again a little colder in the mid to upper teens for overnight lows. Thursday a little warmer as we get back into the upper 30s and lower to possibly mid 40s in southwest Nebraska. So closer to our average high for this time of the year. So looking long range again, we'll see clouds, maybe a few breaks in the clouds today. A small chance of light snow this evening in the Tri-Cities. A little on the windy side today. Tomorrow, slightly warmer, mostly cloudy in the morning, mostly sunny later in the day. Thursday, reverse that. Mostly sunny in the morning, mostly cloudy later in the day. A chance of some very light precipitation Thursday night and very early Friday morning. Again, another minuscule chance, not looking at much, probably just flurries and sprinkles at most. I don't think we'll see much out of that. A little on the breezy side Friday, maybe a few degrees cooler with more clouds around Friday. I'm going to call it a mostly cloudy day for the final day of the work week. Right now, the weekend's shaping up to be pretty decent. More sunshine, especially Saturday. Low to mid 40s. It's not going to be as nice as it was this past weekend, but that is a little bit above average for this time of the year, and it's about as good as we're going to see here. Monday, you'll see upper 30s there. We might actually squeeze in another decently mild day next Tuesday, as we might get back to the lower 40s. After that, I think things go downhill. First off, you see the temperatures trending colder towards next Wednesday and Thursday, which are those final 2 days of this 10-day forecast high temperature graphic here. Of bigger concern might be precipitation. Long-range forecast models are all kind of pointing towards a bigger storm system that might impact us somewhere between next Wednesday and next Friday. So the timing is still a big issue right now, but they all kind of give us this bigger chance of moisture as we look towards the middle and end of next week, and that could be followed up with some Arctic air. So that's beyond this 10-day forecast. We might be seeing some much colder temperatures return to our area, something that we have not seen much of over the last month or two. We haven't seen a lot of Arctic air, really. It's been seasonably mild to average to mild over the last month or so. So might be a little shock to the system. It is still a long ways away yet. Things can still change. We'll get a better feel for it. Again, that's over 10 days away yet. So we'll get a better feel for that as we start to get closer to the middle of next week here. Real quick, I did want to mention before I go, I will be on tomorrow. It'll be my final forecast this week, actually. I'm going to be off for Thursday and Friday of this week. Weather looks rather quiet anyway. Kit will be filling in for me at the end of this week here. It's kind of vacation season right now, actually. Tim's been gone for quite a while. Kit's been filling in for him the last several days here. Tim's back today. I'll be taking off for a couple of days, Thursday and Friday here, being back next Monday. So I'll be back tomorrow, though, to join you on your Wednesday. So until then, enjoy your Tuesday. Stay warm out there for today, folks. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski. Enjoy your day, and God bless. Bye.